Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can quickly create a base for a medieval flail weapon. So let's start with creating just a sphere with shift and right mouse button. I will choose sphere. Now with shift and right mouse button, I will select retopologize. And now you need to go to attribute editor and find the target face count. Change it from 1000 to, let's say, 50. Let's also change shading quickly with shift and right mouse button. I'll select harden edge. Now when that's done, let's create the second part of our weapon, and with shift and right mouse button I will select cone. Let's make it a little bit larger. First of all, I will remove this big face here. I will select the top vertex, and with shift and right mouse button I will select jumper vertex. Now I'm going to merge vertices. So select every two vertices, and with shift right mouse button you can merge vertices to center. Now select these two edges and create bridge between them. Shift right mouse button, I'll select bridge. I will also add a few divisions. And now let's create bridges here and close those two holes with a fill hole. And then I'll select this one face and I'll just move it somewhere like here. And change the shading to soften edge. Now I'll select both those objects, we'll go Edit, Delete by Type, History. I will select our cone, then I'll go to Mesh Shelf and select Create Mesh Network here. Now if you go to Attribute Editor, in the Mesh Distribute node, you can change distribution type from linear to mesh. And then with middle mouse button from your outliner, you need to click and hold the mesh that you're going to use as a base. I'll select that one and click and hold and drag it to all the way down to input mesh. Okay, now start looking a little bit closer to what we want. Go to Mesh Distribute node and tick this box where it says Use Up Vector. And then above that, you need to also change method from scatter to face center. And just add more number of points. And last thing to remember, if you want to change your cone, you can always unhide it from outliner. If you can select it and click H. And now everything you do with it would also affect your mesh network. So for example, you can make it smaller, you can make it larger. And perhaps I want to make something like that.